Students, small g is equal to gm divided by r square, means acceleration due to gravity is inversely proportional to square of the distance. As the distance increases, g decreases. Simple logic है, ठीक है? To understand this, we'll apply it here. You know, if you compare the equatorial distance from the Earth's center and the distance of the poles from the Earth's center, naturally the distance of the poles from the Earth's center is lesser. The distance of the equator from the Earth's center is more. So distance is more, acceleration due to gravity is less. Why? Because more the distance, acceleration due to gravity is less. Hence at the equator, acceleration due to gravity is g is lesser, and lesser means how much? Actually on the Earth's surface, what I told you, it is 9.8. So here it is 9.78 meters per second square. And at the poles it is slightly greater. Why? Because the distance, this gap is less. So at the poles, g is more. More means how much? 9.83. Not much more, but slightly more. Okay? Now observe this here. Condition number 2 we will discuss. This is Earth's center. This is Earth's radius. As we move higher from the Earth's surface, distance increases because acceleration due to gravity is inversely proportional to square of the distance. As we move higher and higher from the Earth's surface, distance increases. Naturally, acceleration due to gravity decreases. Means if you move higher from the sea level or at great heights like mountains or much higher, the acceleration due to gravity is comparatively lesser than on the Earth's surface. Why? Because the distance is more and g is inversely proportional to square of the distance. Are you okay here? One thing. Students, हे झालं एक part. G is inversely proportional to square of the distance. ठीक है? But just remember, if the height is round about 100 km, Earth's radius, let me clear this point. Earth's radius is 6,400 km. If you send the body to a height of 100 km or 1000 kilometers and all that, that doesn't change g much because h is not very high here. Means if you take h, if the body is at a height of 100 kilometers from the Earth's surface, don't think that it will affect small g much. It will not affect it much. Is it okay? That is the thing here. Height means what height it should go. Like for example, 6,400 kilometers means round about say 3,600 kilometers or anything. Then the height varies. It changes. Or it has an effect on acceleration due to gravity. So if the body is projected at a height of 100 kilometers or all that, acceleration due to gravity does not change. Much change जाणवत नाही तुम्हाला. ठीक है? Similarly, as we move at a depth deep below the Earth's surface, means into mines and all that, the mine workers, they suffocate. Reason? Because as you move deeper and deeper into the Earth's surface, the acceleration due to gravity again decreases. With the depth also, acceleration due to gravity decreases. Though here the distance may be lesser, but there is another factor here. Though the distance decreases, I agree. As we move toward closer and closer towards the Earth's center, no doubt the distance decreases. But acceleration due to gravity decreases because it's a different factor, students. थोड़ा concept वेगळा है, which is there in your 11th standard. It is not there in your 10th standard. Just remember one thing. At the equator, acceleration due to gravity is less. At the poles, it is more. As we move higher from the Earth's surface, g decreases. As we move deeper into the Earth's surface, acceleration due to gravity decreases. In all the cases, acceleration due to gravity decreases, students. Are you okay here? Only on the Earth's surface it is the highest, and that is 9.8 meters per second. Therefore, mining and all is difficult task for mine workers and all, because oxygen level, as g is less, oxygen, the capacity of air to hold oxygen is less, and therefore the mine workers undergo suffocation and all that. It's not that easy. And you have also experienced that if you have gone to Shimla, Kulu Manali for a trip, you know, snowing and playing with snow and all is not allowed for certain age people. Why? Because the oxygen level is less there, and they may get suffocated, or they may become breathless. They may develop this feeling of breathlessness. Okay? Therefore, children and all can play there because their oxygen level in the body is very fast. They, they exercise and all that. But for certain level, certain age people, they're not allowed to play there in the snow and all that, because that is the drawback there. Because as we move higher on the mountains and all, or much above the sea level, acceleration due to gravity, a bit amount ka rehna, it decreases. Are you okay? That's the thing here. Please students, read this topic regularly. I will continue the remaining free fall and all in the next period. Bye for today.